Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. I got a Valentine. I got my first Valentine for my dog. Not for me, from the dog store. Going to the Wacky Wednesday sale today. I'm so fucking excited. I've been waiting all week to get to Wacky Wednesday, where you spin the wheel at the fucking thrift. Oh my god, I can't wait to tell you guys what I get and show you. And do you want to see that? I like shit like that. I watch stuff like that, but you probably don't, because you're probably just here for my burps. I'm doing a custom today. I love doing customs too, so if you want a custom, hit me up. thebakedkorean@gmail.com. Hey, hey. The first one's the best burp, I swear. And I'm eating Frankie Organics puffs in jalapeno flavor. They're vegan. And they're kind of spicy. It's Wacky Wednesday. There's nowhere I'd rather be than here right now. I always said farts, burps. They're all saying something. They're not just burps. Right behind this car, or this bus. Wacky Wednesday. Still toxic. It's still toxic.